Didn't realize, sorry, but the first one just follow on the second one. I was trying to do the volume up and then it cuts. Oh, see, when your juice is out of tune, like less flavor, just by the look of it, you feel like you're already satisfied. Diba? Exactly,
So
it's
if
the
I
look.
would have to choose, I would take this.
Which one?
Ito, oh. Kasi hindi siya matangkad.
Okay, yeah, because it's not gonna fit. But if it's on the side of the fridge, but it's not really bad. Okay.
Wag
The
mo lang
beauty
bangga.
passed the quality control, but the tick, it's scary. It feels like it's going to break right away. This is interesting. If we have Pyrex, they also have Typlex. It sounds the same.
This one is
Yeah, that one is way cheaper. It's like triple the price, but I betcha, it's almost the same. Okay. You're willing to pay it if it breaks. So if you are oversized human beings, you can also grab this one. It's not bad, but you need to have a four packs abs. Otherwise, you can't buy that.
Otherwise,
We're
it
being
doesn't work.
silly here. I mean, realistically, it's not bad sitting at it, but I don't know after 6 months if it's gonna stay firm. But not bad. 19 or 15,900, I think, if it's cash. So if you are a cat lover, you can buy stuff here. It's a reasonable price. That cat sand, that's a 5
We need to buy
pounds,
pet food for them.
225.
Kailangan magbili ng...
How does it feel? Someone's passing by. It's not bad. Huh? Oh, it is? Turmeric, just get a fresh one. But
Sabi niya, kapunit.
so this is in Puerto Princesa, ladies and gentlemen. SM and Robinsons. Those are the premier grocery shopping areas. So it's a day before the actual school begins. So people are really truly into a shopping mood or mode. This is early morning and yet there's plenty of people already. I gotta focus my shopping, you know. Hold on. Let me scan some prices here. So if it's US exchange rate, right now it's 58 is to 1 peso. The main entail is a little bit pricey here. $4. $1, 2, 3, $6 almost. But if you go for local, they have very good pricing as well. The local brands here are this one, 406 for 1 liter. So like for 1, 2, 3, 4, it's like $7 for 1 liter of shampoo. This is not bad for the price, but I don't know how long will they last. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna smell it. Bango rin. That's for men, I guess, no? Traffic ahead. So rice here, of course, is always pricey compared to outside. But if you want convenience and comfortable shopping, you go to grocery stores either at Robinsons or, of course, SM. Vita Fragrant Denurado, 25 kilos. I think you're gonna pay 200 to 300 more for this one. Yes, sir. Of course, there's always a trade-off for you. If you buy canned goods here, it's more expensive. But if you go shopping in the, in the local store, fish are cheaper. So it's a win-win. You lose some, you win some. So that's how it goes. But if you want to eat fresh food, then you're better off here because it's cheaper. See, this one is this Wind Rocks. I tried that. Sun Rocks, that's 1 gallon. No, 378 is 1 gallon. Or if it's 1 peso different at 10 pesos, then you get the brand one.
So, Sun Rocks.
Zim.
Same. Pareho lang yan.
O, konti lang ang difference. Original. Gusto mo may amoy? Pero mura siya, 149. Di ba? Anong hinahanap mo?
Corner safe.
Gusto mo pa rin ng
Ito?
Gusto mo pa rin ng ganyan? O yung may lemon? Kaya nga, hindi. Ang isa lemon flavor.
Dalahin mo din.
Lemon flavor siya.
Kailangan natin ng color safe. Matagal din na ubos, no? Color safe na mga stain.
Ako, naghinto ako niya noon. Sabi ko, parang di ba nag-work?
Nagatagal. Ito tulad. Ito naman.
Dali ko.
Pela mo natin. Ito, nag-1 dollar lang ito.
Grabe. Tapos dito, mahal. Yan ang talagang 92 siya ngayon. Ang laki ng difference lang. Ito naman, 125. Ito naman, 104. 1 liter siya. So, kalahati ang sa atin, 100 lang.
540 kalahati.
Pero ibig sabihin ko, same brand na rin, okay na rin yung may 50% siyang discount. Si baby.
Nagpila na siya.
Siguro.
Itong Ariel, maganda man linis.
Oo.
Meron tayo sa bonito. Meron, I think I have to add yun.
Ha?
Dadaan pa ba tayo ng Robinson?
You don't have to. Ay, hindi. Magtina ko ng tinapay doon.
Dito wala siya tinapay naman.
Meron din. Pero yung tinapay na isang, sana ba si Jordan? Ay, bungag talaga si Jordan pa. Ay, wako saan siya? Ay, dito ka na sa big card, number 8. Ay,
Saan ang PWD?
ay wala man time. At bakit ito may lane? Ito, konti na rin lang. Oh. Bakit? How do you know na priority ka? Ay, ito na priority ka na. Eh kami hindi priority. Second to priority. Dali, isa rin. Nag-video ako eh.
Maliwa na naman ba yan?
Hindi. Bantay ako nag-video ako. Mag-i-end ako.